Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are reviewing a 2-pack light multi-tool. So let's go ahead and check them out. So right away we see they supply batteries, and right away we can see the pen here, little ruler for measuring, some numbers here. It's got a nice little pin so you can clip this on a pocket. Go ahead and twist this. You can see the batteries would go in here. And it's good for nurses, doctors, and a quick light if you need to look somewhere. So let's go ahead and turn off our light so you can see. So it's very bright. It's not going to be the brightest light in the world, but it's not supposed to be. It's great for nurses and doctors, dentists. Good for a mechanic to look. It's good to have if your power goes out or you need to look down anything dark. I mean, it's pretty bright for being small. And it clips nicely on a pocket. As you can see, it clips really nice. You just simply pull it off, put it back on. So I like it. It's a little bulky, but to fit the batteries, it has to be. And the good thing about batteries, AAA batteries, are you don't have to deal with the batteries dying quicker. So these will last longer, and these are easy to, most people have AAA batteries. So it's just overall a lot nicer than the small batteries that don't last as long. So that's why it is a little bulkier, because of that. But it also is easy to fit in your hand, and sometimes the small ones are a little hard to grip, or if you use them a lot. But this is nice, fits in your hand, works really well. So I think we can give it a solid 6.9 out of 10, which is the scale that I use would probably be about a 3.7 out of 5 stars. Thank you guys for watching. Links in the video description if you're interested.